This is an 80s Sharp FX-C11P pink digital alarm clock radio in original pink color. Excellent condition. Everything works.
845-295-3887. Work. That's goddess at the heating your
Limit specialist to discuss.
This is FM and this is AM.
no, I'm delayed in it. Here, more consistent.
Mainstream media regard.
Me on the first quarter last. Help that needle tomorrow.
Switch back to FM.
Make your home sweet home dream.
Okay. This is the alarm. You can set it to, I don't know, 8 o'clock or so. Okay, and then I think you do this. Set to 1. Is this 1? Okay, and then this is low and high dimmer. That's low dimmer. That's high dimmer. And then, how would you test the alarm? Okay, then you gotta switch it on to the alarm. Like that. And then you